Welcome to RUDRA Surgical. Today I am going to show you oval shaped virtual endotainer with 5 basic instruments: scissor, Maryland, fanny straight, Bhandarkar knot pusher, needle holder, Ethicon type, 2-port cannula, practice material, and USB cable and video cable for TV connection, and this is for laptop connection. Now I am going to show you how to connect this endotainer in laptop. This is power adapter of this endotainer. We have to put it on in switchboard. Just on it. So endotainer is now on. Now we have to take this video cable, put this one end in endotainer and another one in yellow port of this USB. Now put this USB cable in USB slot of this laptop. It is on. Now search for the camera. Search for the camera. Now this camera is on. This is the small flip button. Just click on this button. Now you can see this camera interface of endotainer. This is how you can zoom in and zoom out, and it is 360 rotatable. And this is cannula. I have to put this cannula in endotainer. Another one in another port. Now put this instrument through this blue port. So this is how you can practice on this endotainer. So this is the whole set. For further information you can contact us. Thank you.